Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about how to grow cardamom. Cardamom is a highly valued spice that is used in many different types of dishes and it's easy to grow in your own garden. By the end of this video, you will know everything you need to get started on your own cardamom garden. Preparing the soil. Cardamom plants thrive in well-draining soil that is rich in organic matter before planting. Make sure to prepare the soil by removing any weeds or rocks and adding compost or aged manure to the soil. This will help ensure that your cardamom plants have the nutrients they need to grow healthy and strong. Choosing a location. Cardamom plants prefer warm and humid environments with temperature between 60 to 90 Fahrenheit. They also require partial shade, so choose a location that gets plenty of morning sun but is shaded in the afternoon. If you live in a cooler climate, you can grow cardamom indoor in a greenhouse or in a warm, well-lit room. Planting the seeds. Cardamom seeds should be planted in the spring after the last forest has passed. Plant the seeds about 1 inch deep and 2 to 3 inches apart in rows that are 2 to 3 feet apart. Water the soil immediately after planting and keep the soil moist but not waterlogged. Cardamom seeds can take up to 3 weeks to germinate, so be patient. Caring for the plants. Cardamom plants require regular watering to keep the soil moist, but they don't like to be waterlogged. Make sure to water your plant deeply once a week and adjust the watering schedule depending on the weather conditions. Cardamom plants also benefits from regular fertilization with a balanced fertilizer. Harvesting the cardamom. Cardamom plants take about 3 years to mature and start producing seed pods. When the seed pods turns green, they are ready to be harvested. Pack the pods by hand and then dry them in the sun or in a dehydrator until they are completely dry. Once they are dry, store the cardamom pods in an airtight container in a cool, dry place. Growing cardamom is a great way to add a unique and valuable spice to your garden. By following these simple steps, you can grow your own cardamom plants and enjoy fresh aromatic spice all year around. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more gardening tips and tricks.